Hello, Bertie Gregory's new series, Animals Up Close, focuses on the lives of animals and includes never-before-seen behaviors. His honest portrayal of the highs and lows of wildlife filmmaking has made him a social media sensation. However, as Gregory told IFL Science, often it's the humans that are the danger, not the other way around. Take Petaka, a puma that Gregory has known since she was a cub. Living in Patagonia, she encounters dangerous prey but is also a threat when she gets too close to a farmer's flock until her guard dogs raise the alarm. Pumas need to eat, and so farmers hunt them in order to keep their livestock safe. More often than not, however, any pumas killed by farmers are simply replaced by another puma moving into their territory. This first-of-its-kind footage is made extra dramatic by the use of thermal imaging to show the hunt attempt in all its glory. Gregory, thanks for watching. If you enjoy short news like this, please consider subscribing to my channel. Until next time.